guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my Nadine West unboxing for October. Inside you get a piece of paper. It itemizes all your stuff and tells you how much it's worth. That way you know what you want to keep and what you're going to be charged for. So let's take a look at what we got. It looks like fall colors, so I'm excited for that. It went from 90 to 55 degrees here in a matter of a few days, so very cold outside. I'm loving this. Oh, that's pretty. So this is just a button-down shirt. It has a little belt with it, and it's super long, so you can wear it with leggings and boots, and really soft. I say that about all their clothes, but it is really soft. And I like this too, how it bunches up a little bit. Or you can undo that. You can roll up the sleeves if you want. That's cool. And I like this color. Definitely out of my little comfort zone of wearing all black, so that's cool. I'll insert pictures of that so you can see what that looks like. Also have a couple pairs of earrings. Those are pretty neat. There he goes, a little tangled, but that's what they look like, and they're all individual, so they move a little bit. But they layer nicely. Those are pretty. So we got those. And some studs. Normally we have like a dangly earring. But here's some little studs. It has some gold. Those are cute. Then we have a top. Ooh, I like that. So it's long sleeves, green and white, and it's got the little cutout, little peekaboo shoulder. I love those. I'm really loving that. And it's a pretty good length, a little flowy at the end. Because I did tell her that I carry all of my weight kind of in my stomach, so if I could have something flowy that's not so conforming, that's what I prefer. So you can put stuff like that when you fill out the quiz, or if you want to hide your arms or anything like that, you can let them know and they're more mindful of that. Ooh, this is cute. I like that a lot. Bracelet, and it's magnetic. Makes it super easy to get on by yourself. With black with gold, I definitely wear that. Very cool. And this should be the necklace. Sometimes I get one of each. Earrings, bracelet, and a necklace. Sometimes they double it up. And sometimes they get tangled a little bit when they're inside that bag. So this necklace is kind of like a druzy, I guess they call it. Where it's kind of like uneven cut stone. Hopefully that's showing up on camera, but it's purple. And then there's little crystals on the chain as well. That's pretty. And the last thing, I peeked at the little piece of paper. I think this is a dress. I lied. Technically this is a dress, but it's really long. I would put that under leggings, but this is a cardigan. Solid purple, real long, some nice big pockets in there. I love that. That's really nice. So I'll go ahead and insert some pictures. And so how this works, I feel like a broken record because I say it in every video, but if there's anything you don't like, say you don't like the shirt or you don't like the dress, you put anything you don't want back in the pink mailer, and they do give you a little return shipping thing. Just seal it back in there, put it out for the mail, and once they get it, they will not charge you for the things you returned. They only charge you for what you keep, and everything is itemized on that sheet, so you know how much it's going to cost you. So I do have a promo code. I think it's for free shipping. So I'll leave that below in case you're interested in a subscription. And as always, thank you so much for watching. Bye, guys.